Welcome back to Drop the Box. So today we're going to show you the location of the security gateway and how to bypass it on a Fiat Ducato. This is also the same as a Peugeot Boxer or Citroen Relay. So what the first thing you need to do is you just need to loosen the glove box. Then just behind the glove box, you can see there's a black unit there. So that's the security gateway. That will have two plugs going to it. So what you need to do is you need to unplug them, and then you need to plug it into your bypass cable, like so. And then just plug your normal diagnostic tool into the bypass cable, and you will have full functionality then to carry out any of the work that you need to do. Yeah, so that's it. Stay tuned for the next one.